I open my suitcase. I stop. What is this? I look inside. I see something. I am on holiday. I just arrived. I feel happy. I have my suitcase. I take a taxi. I go to the hotel. I go to my room. I put the suitcase on the bed. I smile. I am ready. I want my shorts. I want my sun cream. I open the suitcase. I stop. I look inside. I feel confused. What is this? I look again. These are not my clothes. I see something. This is not mine. I feel shocked. I feel embarrassed. This is not my suitcase. I look at the suitcase. It is blue, not black. I feel nervous. Oh no. Where is my suitcase? I think. I think again. Then I understand. I took the wrong suitcase. I feel stress. My things are in my suitcase. I close the suitcase. I stand up. I walk fast. I leave the hotel. I take a taxi. I go back to the airport. I feel worried. I go inside. A man stops me. He works at the airport. I feel nervous. I say, I have a problem. I show my suitcase. I show my ID. I explain. I took the wrong suitcase. I need my suitcase. My money is inside. My clothes are inside. Everything is inside. I cannot find it. My holiday is ruined. He looks at me. Then he nods. He lets me go. I walk fast. I go to the carousel. I look around. I look again. People are waiting. Then I see a family. They look tired. They look worried. They are waiting. I look at the carousel. One suitcase is there. A black suitcase. My suitcase. I understand. They are still waiting for their suitcase. They have waited all day. I feel so embarrassed. I walk to them. I show the suitcase. I say I'm sorry. They look at me. They look at the suitcase. They smile. We switch suitcases. Now I have my suitcase. I feel relief. They feel happy. Everything is okay. Today I go to the hotel. I open my suitcase. It is not mine. I feel shocked. I go back to the airport. A family is waiting. We switch suitcases. The holiday is saved. Now I can relax. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.